First of all, congratulations and tell me, how do you feel, Dr. Aparna?
It's so a surreal feeling right now to get this rank. Actually, I'm student from VMMC and Safdarjung Hospital, and this was my first attempt itself with internship. So it was a little bit difficult to manage with internship, but with the whole dance faculty by the side, the journey was a little bit easier.
So let me just tell you, all of you, those who are listening to this interview, that we have with us Dr. Aparna from VMMC Safdarjung, and she had achieved an amazing rank of 537 in this NEET PG. And as she has just now mentioned that it is along with her internship. So very, very nice, and congratulations from everybody of us. So can you guide me, Aparna, like when did you join DAMS and how did you prepare, like along with the hectic internship? Did you like when did you get times and how did you manage both of them together? So just wanted to know how you did your preparations.
Actually, I joined DAMS in my second year itself as a pre-foundation course, and for whole the second, third, and final year, DAMS was my main source itself. I have prepared all my notes in the upcoming years at itself. Like all my final years, third years notes was completed before my start of the internship, and
Okay.
when the internship started, I was just have to revise and solve the questions itself.
Okay, okay. So that was very nice that you did the main bulk of your preparations while you are doing your MBBS. And that is why I think you got time to revise along with your postings. So just one question actually, like everybody, like when we are also going and teaching, everyone has one question, that how many readings are given or how many readings are required. So Aparna, like if I ask you how many times you read your notes, like number of revisions, if I ask.
In the internship, I completed my 4 reading itself in the internship, and before also my main source was for prof preparation. Also, I use the DAMS notes itself, even
Okay.
for every subjects, even the short subjects like Dharma. I have attended your live session itself in Gautam Nagar
Okay.
branch. So for every subject, so for prof also, I stick to the main notes itself. So it was a little bit easier for me to follow that only in the internship itself.
Yes. So actually that's a very important thing. And like what I feel that students make mistake nowadays, that, they just, keep adding to their notes. They just shift and jump from one platform to another. And in the end, they collect so much of material that they don't have time to revise. So I think that was the main thing, that you have trusted one and you have keep studying with the same notes and everything. So in the end, you can actually justify your preparation by revising them multiple times. And okay, so Aparna, can you tell me, like what was the role of giving GTs and test or doing any MCQs in your preparation? Like what do you feel, that what should be the frequency of giving GTs once you're done with your whole subject or whole 19 subjects?
Giving GT is so very much important. For I started giving my GT in 2 to 3 months after my internship because I started with surgery posting, so I didn't get much of the time to revise. So when I started initially, though I didn't get much score. Like I was up in 131, 135 range itself. Then by the month, as the preparation was going on, I increased the frequency till once a month and then 15 days in a month, and in the last month when the result got postponed, when the exams got postponed,
Mhm.
then it was once a week I increased the frequency, and I even used the damn CBT also to get a live exam
Yes,
fee.
you started priming yourself to that environment and the like way of giving the exam. So that's actually very important, and I feel that that is somewhere lacking in a lot of students. They do not do the GTs in the end. The frequency is not very good. Acha, how do you use to assess? Like for example, if you're giving a GT and if you feel that okay, I'm not able to do the questions of this particular subject or these type of questions, it is difficult. So what do you used to do? Like do you go and read the notes all over again or only those topics, or how did you assess your GT's mistakes?
I used to see my result as subject wise, which subject is weak. I focus mainly on my bottom 3 subjects mostly because I had a mind key in next UT, these 3 subjects shouldn't be in my bottom 3. So
Mm-hmm.
I main focused on that only, and obviously I can't revise whole notes again. So I
Yeah.
go for the topics which I made wrong. Either the concepts was wrong, yeah, something new was being added. So I used to add it in my notes itself.
Yeah, so you used to keep just one notes and anything extra you used to just stick on that particular note only.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's actually a very, and I think that is the reason why you got such an amazing rank. I always told my students that, like there is a visual memory which you should not lose on. So if you're reading a subject from one particular note, just try to revise it from that note only. Do not just shift or change the books or notes and revise with multiple sources. That becomes a mistake with all of the other students. And that's a good thing that you did that. So not many questions I will ask. What about your take to it, or what do you want to say to all the students who are preparing? Because a lot of students will see your interview and they are seeking some help from you. So what do you want to tell them that you felt is necessary or the important step in preparing for any exam?
The number one is the consistency that matters the most. Even in the harsh of the days, you have to study. Even if you are having a hectic posting, you have to study. Like even in Obs Gynae, like it was the hectiest posting of my whole internship. So in that also we need to get some time and manage. So it's consistency matter. Once you take a break, then that break will even go prolonging and prolonging. Coming back to study, it's very much difficult. So first and most important is consistency and GTs. You need to give GTs even if you are not getting score as expected. So continue giving GT. It's very much important, and revision is the key.
Yes, so I think the main thing which is there is consistency, revision, and I think a proper planning. So if you combine all of them, even with internship, you can score such an amazing rank. So I think Dr. Aparna, that's great, and it was nice talking to you. And I'm sure your family members, your friends, everybody will be so happy near you. And I'm sure you must be celebrating and you're planning for some party somewhere, right? So you
Yes,
deserve it actually. You deserve that break also. You deserve every happiness. So thank you for connecting with us and helping all the students who will be seeing these interviews later. And definitely, I would like to meet you in person. So whenever you are free, please do come and meet us. Okay?
sure, ma'am.
Chalo. So
Thank
bye
you so
bye
much,
and
ma'am.
nice talking to you. Have a nice day.